Right guys, so we are almost midway there to our journey to Chandanagar, and we are off to the launch of Bhuter Raja, their newest outlet. This is going to be the third outlet of Bhuter Raja. They were first launched 15 years back. It was at Patuli. Thereafter they shifted to Jadavpur near the market. Tarpore, last year they launched the newest outlet at again Jadavpur near KPC. And today we are there at the launch of their Chandanagar outlet. And just off record, I am telling you guys this from beforehand. My little birdie tells me that the next outlet of Bhuter Raja is going to be launched before Pujas, and it is going to be at Rajarhat. So that's a big news which I got, and you're hearing it first over here. So very excited, but before that, we're excited about today. Let's see how this goes. I am hearing a lot of good things about this place already when I made a post on Foodspa last night. So whoever were the locals over there, Foodspans living near Chandanagar, they've already visited the place. They've got the first look and they say that it is amazing. So cannot wait for us to enter the property now. Right guys, so Foodspa is finally at Chandanagar and we are here at the launch of Bhuter Raja. It's an extremely noisy background, so I'm going to quickly get inside and show you what this place looks like. Follow me. I'll tell you a little bit of history behind Bhuter Raja. So there was this movie, a very popular movie of Satyajit Ray, Gopi Gain Baga Bain. And in that movie, there is a song, it's called Bhuter Raja Dilo Bad. And that is the significance of this. So this logo which you see over here, this signifies Bhuter Raja Dilo Bad. That's what I'm told. And there were 3 wishes which were granted. The 3 boards, one of it is unlimited food, and that is the significance of this place. You get a lot of unlimited food. There's thali, there's also going to be buffet very soon. So that is the reason why we are here, and this is why people love Bhuter Raja Dilo Bad so much. So we have the Mohabhoj thali of Bhuter Raja in front of us. This is, as the name suggests, the biggest thing which you can order. The entire thing which you see in front of us is unlimited. Be it the fish, be it the chicken, whatever you want, it's going to be unlimited. This is the dal. This is aloo dom. Over here you have the kochu pata chingdi. This is shorshe papda. Over here you have the chicken, dhone pata chicken. This is mutton dak banglo. There's papod, there's chutney, there's payesh, there's mishti, there's ampanna. There are going to be luchi, pulao, bhat, which is rice, begun bhaja, as well as lal shak bhaja. All of this which you find is going to be unlimited, so you can order as much as you want, and the entire thing is priced at $7.99 plus taxes. So it's a pretty reasonable option for everyone. What I'm going to do is I'm going to taste all of this in front of you and I'm going to give you a review of the same. So let's start. I will start with the luchi with some aloo dum. It's the first bite. The luchi is pretty good. It's not very rich, it's not very oily, just the way I like it. Aloo dum too is soft and it's pretty good. Next up, rice diye begun bhaja first. Nah, dal. How can I forget the dal? Iktu dal niye nilam. Over here. Dal with the begun bhaja first. Pretty good again. I like my begun bhaja to be a little sweet. So one suggestion would be if you can add a little bit of sugar to the begun bhaja while marinating it. That gives a sweet texture that is always better. For those who prefer begun bhaja sweet, if you like it the way it is usually, then you can definitely go for that. Next up, their very popular item, which is the kochu pata chingdi. তোমরা যদি দেখতে পারো, it has a lot of chingri inside along with the mustard and the kochu pata. This dish, I'm told, has won a lot of awards for Bhuter Raja. It's a very popular item. Wow. The chingri is fresh. You get a very strong essence of the mustard. This is the Shorshe Papda. As you can see, the size is pretty big. It even crosses my fist. Ow. That was the bone. You need to be very careful while shooting these. One wrong move and you're going to prick yourself, be it your hand or your tongue. Once again, very good. Very good stuff. Before I move to the chicken and the mutton, I'm going to have a little bit of shark. I'm sorry, I'm doing a very random review here because you're going to be spoiled for choice when there are so many items over here in front of you. So I'll try the shark next. I like the crunchy texture of the shark which is given by the body which is over here. There's a mild sweetness to it as well, so this is pretty good. I think what I'll do is, I'll have the last two bits, which is the chicken as well as the mutton with the pulao. How about that? So let's start with your dhone pata chicken next. I'll take this piece, which is my favorite. Wow. I'm telling something to you guys. I've always been a fan of the Bhuter Raja chicken. What I like about that chicken usually is the chicken is normally very soft and a lot of the pieces have the skin intact. There's a special preparation called Bhuter Raja special chicken. That is one of my favorites. And this too isn't bad at all. Finally, I'll be skipping the deem. I won't be having the egg. I'll take one piece of the mutton from the mutton dark bungalow. And I'll have it with luchi. Not very happy with the piece which I'm given. It has very less meat. So I'm going to ask them to change this. But I'll complete my shoot with a little morsel of meat. It's soft, it tastes good. I would want a better piece which has a little more flesh, but the taste is pretty good. So I am through with my lunch. Obviously, I'm going to not complete the entire thing, but I'll have a little bit more. I'm going to try the a la carte version as well, because my favorite at Bhuter Raja is the Malai curry. So I'm not going to stuff myself too much with the thali. I'm going to shift to the Malai curry. There's also Ilish, two of my favorites. So I'm going to keep space in my tummy to try out the Ilish as well as the chingri. But before that, I'm going to give you a slight review of the chutney, the payesh and the mishti. I don't think mishti tomader review dorkar hobe. It looks amazing. This has the Nolingur texture to it, so I'm sure this is going to be good. So what I'll do is, I'm going to grab a hold of papod and have it Bengali style with the chutney. And finally the payesh. Wow. The payesh is amazing. It has a lot of dry fruits. I can see cashews, I can see raisins, I can see a lot of stuff. It's pretty thick as well, it's not thin. So I love the payesh, and definitely you should not give this a miss. No matter how full you are, you should keep little space in your tummy for the payesh. We have finally my favorite part of the menu, which is the a la carte menu. So we have chingri malai curry over here. There's bhapa ilish, there's papda, already tried. This is your chicken jhol, murgi jhol, and this is Bhuter Raja special mutton. So this is the final bit. I'm going to taste. I'm done with papda, so I'm going to remove this. This is what I'll be having. I'll have the fish with the rice and these two with the pulao. Because this is my favorite, I'm going to side kore dicchi. Let's get done with these first. So eta hocche murgi jhol. The chicken is pretty soft. It's not like your normal broiler chicken which you get in the city. It's pretty soft. I like this texture of the chicken. Wow. Amazing. Khub bhalo. Next up is your Bhuter Raja special mutton. This has a lot of dry fruits on top, if you can see. Onekta dry fruits ache. Eta niye I'm not very happy with the mutton pieces today because I personally don't like a lot of bone or a lot of fat. I like the fleshy bits more. But if you like bone and fat, you're going to enjoy the meal over here. Finally, my favorite, are pada jacche na. I'm spoiled for choice. I don't know which one to start with. Both are my favorites. There's Bhapa Ilish, there is Malai Curry. Let me start with the Malai Curry first. Pretty big piece. The curry is creamy, the consistency is good, the size is big. It's pretty fresh, if you can see. I like the white texture which you get to see over here. It's fleshy, it's fresh. Let's see how it tastes. It's amazing. Very nice, very nice. I have to move to the next one. Finally, this is the Bhapa Ilish. You can see how soft this is. Believe me when I say this, you will find such a fresh piece of fish at very rare places. It's normally not available. The size is pretty big, which means it's a big fish, which is always recommended for Ilish. I love the freshness of this fish. It tastes very nice, and I would definitely recommend you to try the Ilish as well as your prawn. If you're coming for a la carte, these are the options which you should go for. If you are coming with friends, if you want to hog a lot, like if you want to have a proper bhoj, then you should go for the thali. Options are endless, whatever you prefer. I personally prefer a la carte always when I come to places because then I can have the special dishes without the restaurants choosing what I should eat. So I always stick with a la carte, but definitely you have combos, you have thalis, you will have buffets soon as well. So opportunities are endless. You pick whatever suits you and you go forward. I'll give a final feedback of this once I leave the restaurant because it's getting a little crowded and I have to vacate the thing. So I'm going to enjoy all of this, finish it off, polish it off, and I'm going to give you a final review. So that was our experience at Bhuter Raja. We had a good time. It was obviously the ambience was very good. So we enjoyed a lot. Food wise, some of the items, obviously since it's the first day, we cannot expect it to be perfect. So there was a little bit of an issue with the mutton, but barring that, Luchi khub bhalo chilo. It was very good. Kuchu pada chingni, that was also very good. And ambience is beautiful, like I've already told you. Chandonnagare, getting such a nice restaurant, it was beyond our imagination. Apart from that, service definitely, since it's the first time, Iktu definitely it will be a problem. But as I'm sure they did not expect it to be full house on the very second day. So that was something which augurs well for them in future. 1.5 hours drive from Kolkata and being with the members, all of them who joined us today, that was also pretty good. So all in all, you can definitely look forward to visiting Bhuter Raja at Chandonnagare. We were very excited about it and it lived up to our expectations, barring a few things here and there. Obviously, whoever starts off a new restaurant, they know that it does not start so smoothly. It's definitely going to take them a couple of weeks, but I am sure by the time Puja comes, it's going to be up and running. So my best wishes to the management of Bhuter Raja, and cannot wait to find out your feedbacks as well. I'm sure a lot of you would love to visit this place. Do come. Like I've already mentioned, they're going to come up with Rajarhat outlet very soon. You can stay tuned for that as well. Until next time, this is Food Spa at Chandonnagare. Cheers. Enjoy the view.